What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are back at the deck job that we started, I don't know, close to a month ago now probably, but we couldn't lay the trucks down because when we were doing all the framing that we needed to do, it was too cold to lay the trucks. So now that we got some nice weather, we are back here, but we have had some guys here over the past couple weeks. Every few days here and there we sent a couple guys when we had some free time, so there was a little bit of work done, but today we are getting a big jump on it. But I'll throw a clip in right now of where it was at last time I was here, and then I will show you guys where we're at now. All right, so we obviously have made quite some progress. We are about 3/4 of the way done with the actual decking, and then we got to go around with all the posts in the right spot, make sure they're all in square, get the railings in and everything. And we are about to start working on the stairs over here. So I went to Home Depot a little earlier, got a bunch of material, so that is what we are going to jump on now.
Back there, clamp it, get it perfect, trace it. Tell me what you got, son. Good?
Well,
Alright, so this is a piece of shit. Set that aside.
this one?
Yeah, set that aside. Set that aside for a minute. You should be lining it up right there like that. We're going to go inside, we're going to pop it inside, we're going to cut it. 1.5 inch. Tell me when you're good. I love it right there.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Right?
Yep.
Good? Let's trim them up, Brent. Let's trim them up.
Alright guys, so we got all the stairs set. We had to dig out a little bit, which you saw us doing. Of course, we hit a rock in our last hole, which was that, so we got that out. So obviously we need to get some posts set down there, and then Trex on there and all that good stuff, plus the railings and whatnot. But we got this whole side of railings done. They are going around the back a little bit. We got a little bit of decking left, and then we got to do all the railings down this side except this one here. They just set this, so we are in pretty good shape. This deck color is very nice. I really like it. So hopefully 2 more days here we get this completely buttoned up. We are a couple posts short and a couple railing sections short, so we ordered them. He said Friday or Monday they will be in, so hopefully Friday. But either way, I think that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Tomorrow we are going to that job where we have to lift the addition that is sinking, so we will all be there. It says it might rain, hopefully not, but if it does, it is what it is. So I think Friday, today is Wednesday, Friday we will be back here and get as much done as we can. But either way, if you guys have any questions or comments about anything you saw, definitely leave a comment down below. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace.